Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the diesel filter, which is located on the left of the engine compartment. Remove the pin from the first fuel inlet conduit, then separate them. Now, with adjustable pliers, compress the end of the other conduit and remove it by making small back and forth movements. Repeat the operation on the other conduit. With a large Phillips screwdriver, release the screw on the filter retaining clamps and remove the filter. Place a container to collect the liquids underneath. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. Compare the new filter with the old one and check the hold of the drain filter seal. You can now replace the seals on the fuel inlet conduit with the new ones provided in the new filter box. Use a small flathead screwdriver to take them out. Then put the new ones in place by hand. Remember to oil the seals before reassembly. Put the new filter in its housing, then tighten the screw on the clamp with a Phillips screwdriver. Reconnect the 3 fuel conduits. Since your vehicle is not equipped with a primer pump, it is vital to pre-fill the filter before starting your car. Before putting the third one in place, completely pre-fill the filter with a small funnel and a container filled with diesel. Then reconnect the final hose and put the pin back in place. Start your vehicle for 10 seconds to ensure that the filter has been properly primed. Operation completed.